Kidukhaja Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya kasi thoding jagatayo kilami sha surok ban pinpaw ke jingdom namar ke jingbamla ka Sorkar ban pindep ke jingdawa jongki Kinangilam jagani ka sengkila yoru ban choing ke jelang bat ka Sorkar zilla bat kila airu e ka RiKhasi
But of course, this is not something that we want to bring up now. We just requesting you to discuss now. But yeah, we've got all the people are hearing you because they hear the message. Everybody can see himself. Since the government does not invite us for a talk for nearly 1 month, that's why we come to the door of the government. Maybe now they will invite us. So please send that message. Only the leaders we will have the cameras here.
Hadin belawai ke jelang uba mi bondling do nong aiktin jaga Fastom ulapan pau bakim shimla hun setia yakni ke jelang namar ba ka Sorkar kam shimla la ban ai ke Jingkular ka bapura halor ke jingdawa jongki ulong banagaliang ke seng ken Bteng ke Jingiakhih ka ba ka Sorkar kam pat sangap ke jingdawa jongki.
The reason why it's hollow because we cannot come to any kind of outcome. There is nothing productive that came out of this meeting. The only thing that came out of this meeting is that we got the kind of not even a confirmation, but it is just a kind of a half-hearted assurance where they said that the file has been moved. It has been moved from the directorate to this office, and from this office it is going to be moved to the planning and then to the finance. However, we argued inside that if it is taking 3 months just for the file to be moved from the directorate to this office, then it is going to take another 6 months for the file to be moved from the planning, from here to the planning, and from the planning to the finance. And if you take a look at the position that this government is in the next 5 months, all of the powers of the government and of the cabinet will be stripped away. It means after that, the government does not have any power anymore. But if we take a look at how these officers of the government are dealing with us, we can see that they are trying to buy time. So 5 months is what we have, but 6 months is what they are trying to buy time. So we cannot wait any longer. We cannot wait that long. We cannot wait for another government to come. We cannot wait for another education minister to take his place, and we will put the proposal. Then it is going to take so many more years. So we are going to continue with the non-cooperation movement, and in this non-cooperation movement, we are not going to take part in any of the activities that are related to the government and to education. We have been sitting there outside of the ambush office for the last 1 month. That is from the 23rd of March. And there has been no response whatsoever. The government has decided to respond today because there was a rally. But even in today's meeting that we had with the government, it is very unsatisfying. And we are not happy. The teachers who are sitting there are not happy. And when we go back, we are going to have to give this sad message to our teachers that the government again has failed us, that the government again is not taking us seriously, and that again the education minister or the chief minister is nowhere to be found. So we have lots of disappointments from this government that we have right now, because we can see that our chief minister is everywhere. He's in Delhi, then he's in Hyderabad, he's singing here, he's singing there, and so on and so forth. We have no problem when it comes to that. It is good. And he's also promoting art in our society. We are happy. But we also want to see him face to face. Maybe when we get to talk to him face to face, we can also understand, or maybe they can also understand us, and we can understand them better. Because we want not to make this issue so great that it is going to harm the education society. Because in this education society that we have the teachers, we have the students, we have the parents, who are all stakeholders, and we are seeking to give back to the society. what the society has given to us.
Nakaliang Secretary Jakatrat Kapuli Kaputi Ambrose Marak ulapan te baka Sorkar kadangele akat bala ban penstet yakakam ban ai ke jingdawa jong kini kinoi kai.